Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got. 1955 F100, 292 Y block under the hood. You want to talk about sweet? This is one sweet machine. And this yellow is popping. All the trim's looking good, all the chrome's looking good. Everything about this truck is amazing. You want to talk about eye catcher? This is an eye catcher right here. That front bumper chrome looks great. The grill's looking awesome. And they got the V8 emblem in it. Man, this thing is beautiful. You look down the side of it, straight as can be. Beautiful paintwork on the truck. It's been completely restored inside, outside, bottom side, under the hood, and the interior. Check this baby out. Really cool custom work on that seat too. Isn't that sweet the way they did those inlays? It's gorgeous. Then the headrest, or the headliner, I shouldn't say headrest, it's the headliner. She is a beauty. I've actually been out and drove this truck already today. We had fun out driving it. Like I said, people cranking their head around, checking this beauty out. She is gorgeous. Look at the door jamb here. You ever seen a 55 Ford truck had that nice of a door jamb? Looks like brand new latch assembly there. Spare tire here on the side. Then we got the oak floor in here, looking good. She is beautiful. Tailgate's got all the stock hardware on it. So of course the tailgate does work. She is beautiful. We even got blue dots in the taillights. Now if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We got hundreds of pictures of the truck. And we're going to put this baby up on the lift. We're going to take pictures of the bottom. We're going to take a video of the bottom. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this truck, and you're catching us on YouTube right now. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool vehicle. All right, here we go for riding a 55. What a sweet ride it is too. One of my good friends in high school had one of these. Actually, I think it may be one of the first things I got pulled over in the police by. He had it parked in his driveway, and we took the plate off of my car and put it on the truck. And of course, the cop recognized the truck from sitting in the driveway at his house, so he had to pull us over. And it had the wrong plate on it. I didn't know back then that there was a different plate for trucks and a different plate for cars. He let us go, just told us to get back home. Now we can deliver this one anywhere in the world, so don't hesitate to call Tom anytime you would like. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. So give him a call anytime and he will hook you up with whatever you need. If you need help with financing, you got questions about this truck, Tom will take great care of you. This is one sweet machine, man. This thing's been restored top, bottom, inside, and out. She is a beauty. Take this baby anywhere and be proud. Now we are very close to the Detroit airport. So if you'd like to come in and check it out in person, you need to fly in. We're very close. And if you would like to come in on a Saturday, we are open on Saturdays, so don't hesitate. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. Look down here on the dash, even the speedo's working. Isn't that sweet? Now we got a 3-pack of gauges over here. It's got everything on it you need there. I love the Ford emblem there on the dash also. This baby's all Ford. Now we're about to do something that nobody does to all of their inventory. At Vanguard, all the cars and trucks go up on the lift so we can show you how pretty the bottom side is also. I mean, you know, that's the foundation of the car and or truck. So it's very important to see how nice the bottom side is. And we have a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car or an old vintage car or truck like this one. So if you see something you'd like a little different, don't hesitate to ask and or talk to Tom about it. We can get you a price to do anything on a muscle car that you may want done. Now we're coming up on our shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna go in the air with this one right now. What a sweet ride we got here. All right, we're underneath this beautiful truck now, and I tell you what, it is just as nice underneath as it is on top. Look at that, frame's all painted up. Now on the brakes, the guys pull this thing all apart, make sure the brakes are in good working order and they're installed correctly. You can see it's got new brake lines. It looks like a new flex line here. This Danna rear end, there is right around a 370 gear in there, and it is an open rear end. Let me double check my notes. Yeah, actually it said 390 rear end, so real close. Good looking muffler there also. You can see the underside of this thing is super clean, just looking sweet. Stock location for the master cylinder right here. And then a stock appearing trans too. That's a Ford Toploader. That's a 3-speed. Looks like it's got new tie rod ends on it. And again, the front brake's the same thing. You can see it's got a brand new flex line going to it. Everything under here is nice and clean. This is one sweet machine right here. Of course, the chrome on the front bumper's looking good. That might actually be, no, I think that's a chrome bumper. Some of these are actually stainless, but I believe that one's chrome. Then we've got the wide whites that really set the thing off, and then the Ford center caps. Let's see if I can find a size on here anywhere. Yeah, they're 6" by 16s. The running boards are in beautiful shape. Now the paint on the top of the running boards, obviously they use these running boards. It's in great shape. 6" by 16s in the back too. And then look at that paint, right down to the bottom edge, looking beautiful. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, really cool. Look at that Ford sticker there, isn't that sweet? Love those antique stickers. And then they've got genuine Detroit iron here on top of that 292. Now that is not the original motor for the car, but it was a very good choice. It's a Y block. It's got a big old Holley sitting on top there. I love the stickers on the valve covers also. That's a 500 CFM Holley. You can see all the wiring, all nice and neat. That firewall is all painted up nice and neat. The inner wheelhouses are all painted. It's got a stock appearing radiator in it, but I bet that's a rebuilt unit. Everything under here is looking sweet. She is one beautiful truck here, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.